Wow, what's happening, y'all? It's Chef Gerard here with the Crew Cockpit. Man, I got another holiday party recipe for you. Man, these are a hit, boy, I'm telling you. All right, so first you're going to get your baguette and you're going to cut it on a bias. On a bias means pretty much cut it diagonally. I figure I'll help y'all with y'all chef vocabulary. Next, you're going to put your tomatoes on a sheet pan or roasting pan. Then you're going to sprinkle it with a little olive oil, a little pepper, a little salt. Yes, sir. And then you don't even got to touch them. Just shake them up. Just really make sure they got some seasoning on them. You know what I'm saying? Next, put them in the oven at 400 degrees, about 15 minutes. Next, you're going to take your crostinis, and then you're going to coat them down with some butter, garlic, and parsley mixture. Don't forget to add a little salt and pepper. Stick them in the oven about 400 degrees, about 10 minutes. Next, you're going to chiffonade your basil. Chiffonade. Basically, you're just going to roll it up, put them all together. You're going to roll them up, and then you're going to cut them into strips, just like that. They mean little strips or ribbons, just like that. Make them nice and pretty. Look at them knife skills, boy. Ooh. I think Chef Drew would be proud of me. Next, you're going to take your ricotta cheese, your chiffonade basil, some salt, some pepper. Then you're going to just mix it up just like that. Yes, sir. You're going to mix that up real good. Next, you're going to put a little garlic powder up in there. You're going to mix that up. Yes, sir. By this time, your tomatoes should be done roasting. Put them to the side, let them rest for a second. Next, you're going to top your crostinis off with your cheese mixture. Then you're going to put your tomatoes down and then a garnish of chiffonade basil. Then you can't forget the star of the show, the balsamic vinegar. Yes, sir, man, I'm telling you. This thing right here sets it off completely. These things were amazing. Beautiful appetizer for a beautiful holiday party. I'm telling you, they are off the chain. My mama had like 6 or 7 of them. She gonna tell you in the comments. I'm telling you, they were off the chain. This Chef Gerard here with the Crew Cockpit. Y'all have a good one.